up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Navrat. So you guys already see here I have lots of stuff going on here. So basically now what I'm going to show you today is okay, this is the thing which you gonna need for championship for karate player. So how you can arrange your stuff, you know, so how, because it's gonna need very big space in your bag, so I will try to arrange it so that it will take a like lower space or less space, so that you can carry anywhere in a small baggage as well. So how you will arrange or how you will manage your stuff, so I'm going to show you that in this video. So hope you guys like this video and try to watch this video till end, so you will not miss any kind of steps. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's start from our shin. So basically shin means your shin guard, shin protection. Okay, so for both leg we are going to need two. So how we'll arrange is, so we have two now. So what I will do is I'll just open this here and I'll keep here. My two shin will stay in one, so it's here and here, done. Just lock it, finish. But I'm not done here, I'm not done yet. Okay, so what I will do here is, if you see there is one pocket here, you guys can see there will be one pocket. So what I'm gonna do is my belt, okay, this is our belt, blue belt or our belt, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is, in this hole, in this particular hole, I'm just going to insert this belt like this. Okay, so what will happen, that's how we are going to arrange our stuff. So basically now it goes like this. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeeze. Okay, so done. So now look at, three things goes in one. So my belt is here and my both shins are here. So one is done. Same goes with red. So we have two Aka shin. I grab my belt with me. Okay, let's insert from the, I just insert it, I just lock it here. Okay, then another shin, gonna keep it together. Okay, so now in this particular area I'm just going to insert this one here, lock together, and your Aka also done. So here is a belt and this is your shin. So red also done, blue also done. So now we have two pairs of gloves, two pairs of foot pad. So what I'm gonna do is, if you guys can see here, it's hole inside. So I'm just gonna put this gloves here like this. So you guys can see like this. You guys can insert here your gloves, and if you guys see, this is your shield. Okay, you guys can normally you are going to put your foot over here, right? So you are just going to insert here like this. Okay, from down it look like this, from up it look like this. So one, same goes with another one also, inside, pull it like this. Okay, two. Okay, so one and two. Same goes with red also. Let's keep it in. So one, same goes with another one also, two. So look, now it's consuming less space. So one, two. So now our belt also done, our shin also done, our gloves also done, our foot pad also done. So now the main role comes here in this chest guard. So we are going to put here, right, for championship. So we're gonna need it. Okay guys, so here is my chest guard. So I'm just going to arrange all the stuff in this chest guard, so that all stuff will take less space in the back. So how I will do it is, I'm just gonna open this stuff here. So now your chest guard is open. So one shin with your belt goes in one direction here, same goes with red here. So you guys can see there is space in between. So I'm just gonna put one stuff here. Okay, my blue goes there. Okay, so now my one stuff goes here like this. Okay, same goes with my other here. Okay, so I'm just gonna lock it so that it will not go here and there. Okay, so this is it. Now what I will do, simple, easy peasy lemon squeezy, squeeze the stuff that it is. Okay, so you guys can see now everything comes in one small chest card. So now what will happen is this gonna take much less space in your bag. Then you can put more stuff what you want or what you gonna need it for championship, but the main stuff which you gonna need for championship is already on here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is simply put it in my bag like this. Okay, and here is my dress, so I'm just gonna put over here, and here is my towel here. Look, if you guys can see, my half of the bag is now empty. That means I arranged perfectly so that it's not taking too much space. So my all stuff goes in one one chest guard, and it took less space. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Hope you guys found this video informative. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new in this video, please do support us. Press the bell icon also, so whenever I'll upload the video, you'll get the notification. So that's all for today guys. See you guys in next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye. See you. Sayonara.